with this 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 Texas Edition. Now this thing is just fully loaded with features like heated cooled leather seats, bed liner, bed cover, tow package, all of that. So stay tuned to see everything inside. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this dark gray exterior color. You have this super bold and defined grille up front with that hexagon pattern. You have your LTZ badging on the side, but it looks really nice in that chrome, Chevy bow tie in the middle, and then you have your projector beam headlamps on the sides with fog lamps below. And this has a front sensing system to alert you to any objects in front of your vehicle. This does have a 5.3 liter engine, so you have that power, and then looking down at your wheels, those are massive 20-inch chrome-clad wheels in that 5-spoke design. Then you have your Texas Edition badging on the sides, and then your mirrors are chrome capped. They have blind spot mirrors in them as well as indicator lights on the sides, and you have running boards to help you up in the front and the back seat. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats. They are heated and ventilated. Have the perforated insert, super comfortable. Both sides are power adjustable, and your driver's side has memory settings. Then looking over at your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your heated button there, your adaptive cruise control with your cruise controls, and then you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your media controls on the back. Then looking over at your media center, has just all of the options you need. All of your radio is here, and you have your phone settings so you can make and receive phone calls. Navigation, so you can put in a destination, get there with turn-by-turn directions, and you have your settings, and then other things you can subscribe to like Pandora or OnStar. And then when your vehicle is on and in reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see behind your truck easily. So down below that you have your radio controls, your CD insert, and then your climate controls. They are dual, so you can have different settings on the sides of the front seat, or you can sync them up. And then you have your lane departure warning, sensing systems, your traction control, power pedals, and your buttons for your heated and cooled seats right there. Lots of plug-ins, so you have your 115 volt, 2 12 volts, and 3 USB ports in the front. Then you have 2 cup holders here, and then looking into your center console, you have another 12 volt, 2 more USB ports, an SD card reader, and an aux port. So, looking on up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and a button for your power sliding rear window. And then also, if you take a look back there, the windows are super tinted in the back, as you can see with that power sliding rear window open. And then making your way out, this does have a Bose sound system, so you have that amazing amplified sound. Looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have this cup holder armrest that can fold out in the middle with 2 cup holders in it, and then you have a 12 volt in the back. These seats do fold up, split bench, so you can have more room in the back here for storage, or if you need to store something back here, you can. And then making your way around the side, you have your bed cover, as you can see there, your LED tail lamps, and your LTZ and Silverado badging. This does have a rear sensing system to alert you to any objects behind your vehicle, and then you can see your tow package there. This also has the corner steps, so you can easily hop up into the bed if you don't have the bed cover on. So let's take a look back there. Have that hydraulic lift, and then your bed liner on the bottom. So you're really protected in this bed with your cover and your liner down here. And you also have remote start on your key fob. So overall, amazing truck, lots of features with your interior, super comfortable with those heated cooled seats, that amazing media center, and then back here with your bed liner and your bed cover and your tow package. So if you want to see this Chevy or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates WOODYS from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.